Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
After binding Ashvathama, Arjun wanted to take him to the military camp. The personality of Godhead Sri Krishna, looking on with his lotus eyes, spoke to angry Arjun. Both Arjun and Lord Sri Krishna are described here in an angry mood, but Arjun's eyes were like balls of red copper, whereas the eyes of the Lord were like lotuses. This means that the angry mood of Arjun and that of the Lord are not on the same level. The Lord is transcendence, and thus he is absolute in any stage. His anger is not like the anger of a conditioned living being within the modes of qualitative material nature. Because he is absolute, both his anger and pleasure are the same. His anger is not exhibited in the three modes of material nature. It is only a sign of his bent of mind towards the cause of his devotee, because that is his transcendental nature. Therefore, even if he is angry, the object of anger is blessed. He is unchanged in all circumstances.